Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ocean Code Lab. In the previous video, we installed all the dependencies for our project, Tax app project. The dependencies were Axum, CORM, Sorday, JSON, and Tokyo. Now in this video, we are going to create a Hello World Axum boilerplate. So first, open our main.rs file and import necessary modules from Axum. First one is router struct, Axum router. It is an struct and the main component of the Axum, which is used to define routes and their handlers. Similarly, next one is get function, which can import from Axum routing and get. Its main function is to define handlers for particular route URLs. Next, we have to annotate this main function with Tokio runtime by using Tokio main. Now what it really does is convert this synchronous main function into an async. So it's complaining about async code missing, so add that. Now this function is converted into asynchronous one. Now next we have to create Axum app, which we can create using by creating an instance of router. So router new. Our app is completed. First save it. We have to define its type. So we have only created a router instance, but we haven't defined any route URLs, and how to map to handlers. And we can do that by using route function provided by router. First one is path, that is string by our route main URL, and next one is method router, and we can define it using get function, and the parameter of the get is handler, which is either asynchronous function or asynchronous closure. So for now, test using async closures. Later on we will make asynchronous functions, and its response should be hello world. For now, close this, already closed. So what we have defined here is, and we created an action app, and it handles root URLs and map it to the map the get request to get the response hello world. Now next one, we have to define our server. We can define server using TCP listener from Tokio. TCP listener from Tokyo, and we have to bind this to address. So let's define localhost and 3000. This returns us futures, so we have to await on it, and it returns result. So let's ignore error for now. So let's unwrap it. Now since our app and server are ready, we have to solve. We can solve this using Axum solve. First parameter is listener, that is server. Second parameter is make service, where Axum app is a make service type, so we can do app. It also returns future, and also returns result. So unwrapping it. So our Axum hello world boilerplate is ready. So let's test it. You can test using cargo run. Looks like it's already built, so we can test this using call command. Sorry, call. Since our web server is running on the port 3000, so we can do call localhost 3000, and we have defined routers handlers for root URLs. So let's test for it root URLs. So our response is hello world. So finally we have completed our basic Axum hello world boilerplate. In the next video, we are going to define more routes and handles for our tax app, such as for listing, deleting, uh, updating and creating, reading, updating, and deleting. So let's meet in another video. Thank you.